It is raining right now. Actually, it is raining a lot. You can see it is raining a lot. And the man is covering his hair. He's covering his hair with a book. Do you see this? He's covering his hair with this red book here to try and keep the water off of his hair. So he's covering his hair to try and keep the water off his hair. Next, the man gets on the bus. So here he is on the bus and he is holding the handrail at the top of the bus. So there is a handrail on the ceiling of the bus. There is a handrail and the man is holding on. He's holding on to the handrail with his left hand. So he's using his left hand to hold on to the handrail, which is on the ceiling of the bus. There is another man here. This man is also holding on to the handrail, but this man is using his right hand. He is using his right hand to hold on to the handrail at the top. And the man next to him in the blue t-shirt, he sneezes. He sneezes. Like that. So the man in the blue t-shirt sneezes. And actually the man is quite close. The man in the blue t-shirt is quite close to the man in the yellow t-shirt. Right? Very close. And he sneezes. He sneezes close to him. After that, the man gets home. He gets home and it is still raining outside. You see, it's raining outside. It's raining a lot outside. The man gets home and he's very wet. All of his clothes are very wet. He is soaked. He is soaked. His clothes have water all over them. He's very wet. He is absolutely soaked, actually. Next, the man goes to sleep. And see, he is sleeping here. He is sleeping in his bed. And we can see out of the window that it is nighttime now. So it's nighttime. And we can see that it's nighttime because the moon is out here. So this is the moon, and the moon is out. So we know it is nighttime now. In the morning, the man wakes up. He wakes up, and we can see it is the morning because the sun is rising. The sun is rising. So it is sunrise right now. And the man wakes up at sunrise. But there is a problem. The man feels sick. He feels quite sick. And he has many different symptoms. He has many symptoms. The first symptom is that he has a sore throat. A sore throat. You can see he is holding his throat here, like this, with his hand. He is holding his throat. So he has a sore throat. The second symptom that he has is that he keeps sneezing. So he is sneezing all the time. You see? He's sneezing. The third symptom that he has is that he has a runny nose. He has a runny nose. And that is why in this picture he is using a handkerchief. He's using this white handkerchief to blow his nose like that. He is blowing his nose in this picture. So he has to blow his nose because he has a runny nose. The fourth symptom that he has is he has a fever. He has a fever. So he is very hot and he has a high temperature. You know, he has a very high temperature, so he's got a fever as well. So the man has 4 symptoms. He has a sore throat, he is sneezing, he has a runny nose, and he has a fever. So the man probably has the flu. That is my guess. I don't know. But he probably has the flu right now. So the man is very sick. Here he is sitting on his sofa. He's sitting on his blue sofa, and we can see he looks sick. Look, he looks very sick right now. So he needs to take some medicine, right? Because he is sick, he needs to take some medicine. So he opens this orange packet. You see, he opens the packet and he pours the medicine into the glass. He pours it in. So here he pours the medicine into the glass of water. Okay, so the glass of water is here. This is the medicine in the orange packet, and he pours it in. He pours the medicine into the glass of water. And he takes 3 tablets. Here is 1 tablet. Here is another tablet. And here is a third tablet in his hand here. So he takes 3 tablets as well. Then he goes to sleep, and he sleeps a lot. He sleeps all day. He sleeps all day because in this picture, the sun is in the sky, and then in this picture, the sun is setting. So the sun is setting here. It is now sunset. But the man is still asleep. So he sleeps all day. Then he wakes up, but he is still sick. He is coughing now. So the man is now coughing as well. And he still does not feel good. He still feels a little bit sick, but maybe he feels a little bit better. Maybe a little bit better now. I think now he does not have a sore throat. He does not have a runny nose. He does not have a fever either. And he is not sneezing. So I think he feels better, but still not perfect. He does not feel perfect. So the man needs to sleep a little bit more. And we can see here he is sleeping. He is lying on the blue sofa and he is sleeping. He is sleeping while he is watching television. So he was watching television and he is sleeping at the same time. Many days pass. So he is sick for 3 days. He is sick on the 12th. He is sick on the 13th and sick on the 14th of the month. We don't know which month it is. It could be January, February, March. We don't know. But it's the 12th, the 13th and the 14th of this month. After 3 days, he is feeling much better. So now he is not sick anymore. He feels healthy again. And that's why he is walking outside in the weather with 2 clouds here, 2 houses here, a tree and a little bush, a small bush here. And the man is walking outside because he feels better now. That is the end of the video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.